बनो
Okay.
परम पुरुषार्थी, बनो तेज बलवान, बनो धीर गंभीर, तू होवे सबसे महान। छोड़ असंभव शब्द को, सब संभव है जान। तू युवा यौवन भरा, निज शक्ति को पहचान। A very warm greetings. I am Jill Barot, an engineering student from Pandit Dindayal Petroleum University, and today I'm going to speak on the topic of supercharging the youth for New India. When Sri Ram started his mission to kill the evilness of Ravana, at that time he was the youth. When Chanakya chose Chandragupta Maurya, who came and unified the Bharatvarsh, at that time Chandragupta Maurya was a youth. When Mangal Pandey fired his bullet for the first war of Indian independence, at that time he was the youth. When Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Rajguru, and many other freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for the Indian independence, at that time they were the youth. So I feel that the youth have a very crucial role in shaping the history. Now, what is youth? Youth to me means energy required to work, energy required to bring the change, and energy required to make the progress. And when we talk about New India, I feel that the creation of New India lies in the hands of the youth. Indian population constitutes 34% of youth. Thus, India is a young nation. According to me, the two things which concerns the youth and the new India redefines them are number one, education. The latest changes in the national education policy opens many doors for the diverse youth. They aim to provide equitable development and also increases the gross enrollment ratio from 25% to 35%. Number two, employment. Now, how the young one cannot charge up when our Prime Minister said that he wants the youth not just to be job seeker but job creators. The concept of making India achieved its peak during this pandemic. Self employment is the greatest source of employment generation, which have driven the Indian economic growth. The concept of Startup India, where India bagged the second position for setting up the largest startup ecosystem just because of the input of the youth. The New India encourages startup because the New India believes that this is the age where you can make the mistake and learn from it. And failure is the path of success. The Young Scientist Lab to lay the foundation of research in the youth and to ensure that the dream of Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar do come true. Now, when I talk about youth, how can I forget the supercharging message given by Swami Vivekanand? That is, Uttishta Jagrat Prapya Varani Bodhat achieved. Because he believed that human resource can reach to its peak during this period of time. And I firmly believe that young one, when nourished properly, can grow into a tree, but if neglected, can erupt like a volcano. But how can I neglect that today's youth are facing hard time by being addictive towards drugs, busy trolling to depression and other diseases? I must say that no external force is going to motivate you until and unless you are not motivated internally, until and unless your body does not support your actions and your thoughts. I would love to see the youth of India who look after their health and be the part of Fit India, who understand their responsibilities and duties towards nation building. So we the youth, we should come together and build the new India where there is no place of discrimination and everyone have a dignified life. Let we the youth build a nation which our freedom fighters have dreamt of and which our Prime Minister dream of. So let we the youth don't just talk about the change but be the change. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.